Melt drops are marketed as a fast-acting weight loss supplement that supposedly melts fat away, boosts metabolism, and helps users lose weight effortlessly. But the real question is, do they actually work, or is it just aggressive diet marketing? Now, to be fair, some ingredients commonly used in weight loss drops, like caffeine, green tea extract, apple cider vinegar, or chromium, may provide small effects on appetite or metabolism. What it does well may slightly reduce appetite for some users. Certain ingredients in weight loss supplements can help some people feel less hungry temporarily. Liquid drops are easy to take. Many people prefer drops because they feel more convenient than capsules or powders, where the hype completely falls apart. Fat does not simply melt away. This is the biggest issue. No supplement can magically dissolve body fat without calorie control, activity, and long-term lifestyle changes. The marketing is usually heavily exaggerated. Ads often imply dramatic transformations, effortless weight loss, or rapid fat burning that are not supported by strong evidence. Most results are likely mild at best. Even legitimate weight loss ingredients usually produce relatively small effects. So, do melt drops actually melt fat away? Short answer, absolutely not. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.